Seeing you today so happy and radiant fills my heart with joy. You and Yogin are such a perfect match, and it's clear that you bring out the best in each other.
Jai Swaminarayan to everyone, and thank you all very much for coming here to give your blessing to this lovely couple, Ishani and Yogin.
I just want to say congratulations to Yogin and Ishani, first of all, and a really good charge as well. They do come from, one is from East Coast, and the other one is from Midwest, but they make a really good couple, and I wish them a really good, happy life.
I've watched you navigate your life with such grace and determination, and I've admired how you've built a life full of passion, kindness, and love. But today, seeing her sitting with Yogin, I realize she's found something that completes her wholly. A partner who cherishes her as much as her entire family does, understands her quirks, and who makes her smile in a way that lights up the room.
Beta, being your father is one of my greatest accomplishments. Seeing you look so beautiful and happy on your beautiful day, I can safely say that I did something right.
Hi Ishani, congratulations on your Mendi. I know you and Yogin were looking up to this day, and I'm glad that it came and it's going very successfully.
Yogin is very caring. He has a very big heart. He is kind, he's dedicated, and the list literally goes on.
Hey Ishani and Yogin, congratulations on first step and good luck for future.
Congratulations Ishani and Yogin. Please come visit us in Chicago often.
Yogin, from the moment you came into her life, it was clear that you were special. You've brought so much joy and love into her world, and for that, we're all endlessly grateful. I can see how deeply you care for her, how much you respect her, and how perfectly you complement one another. It's comforting to know that my sister has found someone who will stand by her side throughout all of life's ups and downs, and someone who truly deserves her.
So that's how I know you two are perfect for each other, right? I've seen Yogin through his highs, this being one of them, and like all of his lows as well. And you've grown so much over the last couple of years, and that's thanks to, knowing Ishani and getting to know her.
Dude, how small is this? Oh, I found it.
ઈશાની એ આજથી અમારી પુત્રવધુ નહીં પરંતુ અમારી દીકરી જ છે, અને એ પણ એનો મોટો ગુણ છે કે આજથી 2 વર્ષ પહેલાં જ્યારે અમે ગોળધારણા કર્યા ને એ પહેલાંથી જ્યારથી નક્કી થયું ત્યારથી તરત જ અમને મમ્મી ને ડેડી કહીને બોલાવે તો અમને બહુ જ આનંદ આવતો. એટલે એ આજથી અમારી નહીં પરંતુ જ્યારે નક્કી થયું ત્યારથી અમારી દીકરી જ છે, એટલે એની કોઈ ચિંતા કરશો નહીં.
Hi, on behalf of Newark Youth Team Under, we would like to say congratulations to the both of you.
We would like to wish you both a lifetime full of love and happiness.
And butterflies! Congrats!
And we are so glad to be here, and we celebrate Yogin and Ishani and wish them the best and best forever.
Ishani, it has been a privilege to know you and grow up around you. We've shared so many memories that I will cherish forever. You've been more than just a cousin to me. You're like the older sister I never had.
थाय हे आव्या हे मा
अक्षत फूले बधावो रे आव्या अंबे मा चोकमा जगमग थाय रे आव्या अंबे मा
आशीष देता जावो रे मारी अंबे मा जीवन धन्य धन्य थाय हे मारी अंबे मा हे मारी अंबे मा हे मारी अंबे मा हे मारी अंबे मा
Oh my god. Looks amazing. You ready? Looks nice.
You look really good too.
Thank you.
Wow.
ਨਾਈਟ ਕਲੱਬ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਕਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਡਾਂਸ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਰੋਮਾਂਸ
ਜਦੋਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ ਡਾਂਸ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਰੋਮਾਂਸ
ਹਾਏ ਨਾਈਟ ਕਲੱਬ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਕਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਡਾਂਸ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਰੋਮਾਂਸ
ਹੋ ਕभी लगती हूँ रम कभी एक का बम
हो कभी लगती हो रम कभी ये का बम कभी बोतल देसी शराब की ओ दिल ले गई कुड़ी ओए गई कुड़ी गुजरात की ओ दिल ले गई कुड़ी दिल ले गई कुड़ी गुजरात की ओ दिल ले गई कुड़ी गुजरात दी
You are light of my life. From your first grade of school to now, there are so much memories that fulfill my heart with love. When I first held you in my arms, you were such a little baby. I wouldn't imagine that you would ever grown up to be the person you are today. Here we are. Congratulations to both of you on your auspicious day.
સાથે અમારા સગા સંબંધી અને મિત્રો દેશ પરદેશથી, પરદેશ એટલે કે ઇન્ડિયાથી પણ સ્પેશિયલ મેરેજમાં આવ્યા છે. તો બધાનો અમે પરિવાર તરફથી અંતઃકરણપૂર્વક ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનીએ છીએ.
I need you to please turn your attention to this same door. And for the very first time as husband and wife, help me welcome the new Mr. and Mrs. Yogin and Ishani Patel.
Ishani and Yogin, the two of you make an incredible team, and I have no doubt that the journey of life ahead will be filled with love, laughter, and endless adventures. I wish you both a lifetime of happiness, and I know that whatever comes your way, you'll face it together as a team, and with the same strength and love that has brought us all together here tonight. So, everyone, let's dedicate tonight to Ishani and Yogin. Here's to love, to family, and the beautiful journey that lies in store for the both of you. May your lives together be filled with joy. May your love grow stronger with every passing day. And may you always find comfort and happiness in each other's arms.
મારી દીકરી મોટી થઈ ગઈ, મારી દીકરી મોટી થઈ ગઈ, મારી ઈશાની મોટી થઈ ગઈ. જન્મી હતી ત્યારે તે મારા ઘરમાં મારી એક ઈચ્છા પૂરી થઈ ગઈ. ઈચ્છાઓ ઘણી બાકી હતી તેના માટે, પણ જોત જોતામાં મારી દીકરી મોટી થઈ ગઈ.